So tomorrow we're going to Legoland. That's kind of exciting. We'll be able to get on some rides and look at some stuff. Closed. What are we going to do? Now the fun part. Taking apart the engine. I always loved taking things apart. It was putting them back together that was the very difficult thing. And I get to try out my new tools. Take these off first. I left my tools out here, and it's been like in the 80s, 90s all day, so they're hot, super hot. I just want to show you something here. Look at that rust. This is what I was trying to point out in the beginning of the videos, like days 1 and 2. Just crazy, huh? I don't end up having to get new valve covers. Check out that mess, wow. And then the bolts, look at the engine mounts. They're all fused together by corrosion and rust. Well, it feels like it works. I just took a chance that these might be loose because everything else works. All 4 of those things came off just by hand. Feels like that worked. God, it looked like there was a nest inside the top of the water pump. Ew. That's nasty. There's all kinds of creatures living in that boat. First we had silverfish, then mice, then spiders, who knows what else. This was going to take specialized tools. Like everything else, it's pretty loose. I don't know if you can hear the rust crackling as I'm taking this off. These bolts were in there so loose that I could just grab the pulley and wrench out those bolts. So that's the fuel water separation filter, and it's full of gas, so I'll have to take care of that right now. Don't worry, I put the gas in an old gas can and labeled it bad. I didn't dump it in the backyard or anything like that. I didn't even know there was such a thing as a water gas water fuel separation filter. But then again, you probably realized I've never taken a boat apart before. Do I have a screwdriver? Part of the flywheel, some pulleys, the fuel water separation filter. That was about the tightest bolt this engine had all this time. Might have to, maybe I'll get a discount if I get all these parts sandblasted. But I might just have to get new ones. Looking at all the pulleys, the alternator, the water pump, power steering pump, they were all so resistant to rotation that even if the engine did run, it probably wouldn't have run very long. Alright, this looks like it can be easily cleaned. I'll do that first. Now let's take this apart and see what that looks like inside. Probably got something living in it. Nice and heavy too. Salvage, as it were. Gasket material crumbling. Let's put some WD-40 W. Actual well, but some kind of adhesive. Looks, I mean, this thing could be cleaned up pretty good. That is salvageable. That looks pretty good actually. Even on that side. Same good on that side. You just need to take that out to see the metal. Clean that up. I think that's doable. It is such a mess. So far I haven't run into anything disappointing or unexpected. The parts were worn and rusty as I expected. Nothing was really damaged. And I haven't spent a lot of money on rebuilding this engine so far. I'm just hoping the engine isn't cracked. Alright, so if you like that video, give it a thumbs up, share it out, show everybody what's going on. I'm going to be doing this till that thing's in the water and running. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.